there. What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're doing something absolutely different that you never see on my channel because this is just a motorcycle content type of channel, but I'm super excited about this. It's Bryce's birthday this Friday. Today's Wednesday, and yesterday we got a delivery of the Lamborghini Aventador. So we're gonna be putting that together today. I kind of wanted to make something pretty cool, make a video out of it, so later on when he's a little bigger, he can actually watch it. And I wanted to share with you guys because these things are awesome. And if you guys, a lot of you guys have kids, you guys are around my age or even older. So if you guys want to get one of these cars for your kids, I'm gonna be dropping out all the description down below in the box. I got off Amazon and it came really fast. It came within like a week or so. But this thing is amazing. They come with LED lights. The details on everything is pretty awesome. Like, you're able to put the wheels, like the rims on the wheels and everything. The the steering wheel comes detached, like if it's like a F1 detachable wheel type of thing. That's really cool. The spoiler here, you got the seats right there, you got your charger over here, and it comes, most important, which is a super safety feature, which is something that I wanted to look for when I was gonna get the car, was for it to have a remote control. We all know how crazy these little toddlers can get and how excited they get when they're on these cars. So I'm able to put him in the car and I'm able to control it with that remote right there, which is awesome. So it's like a really big remote control car that I'm gonna be able to use with a baby inside of it. So I mean, I'm like super hyped about this. I've seen stuff online where people like soup these things up like crazy. They add all types of aftermarket parts, even stereos and different wheels and different lights and everything. So super cool. We're gonna be going into all the little details and description of the car right now as well, as far as pricing, and then I'm gonna be putting it and assembling it for you guys right now. So it comes with the instruction manual. By the way, Bryce is gonna be 3 years old. So here we have 4 pieces. We got 4 wheels, we have 4 hubcaps, we got 1 steering wheel, 2 side mirrors, which it comes with damn side mirrors, which is awesome. It comes with a spoiler, it comes with a seat, it comes with a 12-volt charger, the remote control, and an aux cable. Why? Because this might have music. Alright guys, so if you want to know how much this cost, it ran us around $350, I believe. I'll put the correct price right here for you to see. But it's totally worth it. Amazing. I cannot wait to put it all together right now. So on the instructions first, we're gonna start by placing the wheels. That's gonna be the first step. All right, they're pretty heavy too. I mean, they're not like crazy heavy, but for what it is, it's pretty heavy. Gotta take this out. So you take the bolt out, you take the washer out, you put the wheel in, then you put the washer back in, and you put the nut on there. I should have gone out and got a jack for this. That would have been funny. So we'll take the washer and bolt out, put the wheel in. So now we put the back wheel. That's gonna be a 4th wheel already on there. So we now have the 4 wheels attached to the car. The next step is gonna be to install the steering wheel. So the steering wheel is pretty easy, guys. You just gotta put this inside here and it's connected. This pops right in there. Okay, so we're all set. And that turns really good. Alright guys, so the next step is going to be to install the side mirrors, and they're going to go right on the doors right here. Just wedge it in there and it clamps in. 1, 2. Alright guys, so the next step is going to be to plug this red plug into here. So we first got to take off the plastic little cover right here. Then plug it in just like that. They already plugged in the black one for us, so that's good. This is going to be for the battery, guys. So once this is connected, we can tuck this in down like that. Alright guys, so the next step is going to be to install this seat onto the car. It comes with 2 screws, 1 on each corner, and in the back of the seat you're going to have these 2 latches. So this gets latched into the car first. So we latch the back part, put them in its place, and now we just got to screw in the 2 screws All right, so we're gonna go ahead now and pop on the hubcaps. One thing I did notice is that the logo right here kind of comes off very easy. So I'm gonna have to, look, that just literally came off right there, Lambo logo. So I'm gonna have to find some crazy glue. I'm just gonna put it on for now, but I'm gonna find some crazy glue and glue those things on, because obviously I don't want that. It's a nice little touch, so I don't want it falling off, you know? So these hubcaps, just like any hubcap, just go on the car. So pop, pop, pop. We got one wheel in, and we'll do the next one now. So pop. All right guys, so we got our 4 hubcaps on the wheels already. I already went ahead and tightened up the bolts from before. The last step to do now is to charge this thing. So here I have my charger, which I'm gonna plug in back here. This is the old charger for his other car that was much smaller. Plug that in there. And then this goes plugged in right in the bottom of the seat right here in the front. The car is now charging. So we're gonna go over the details now, exactly what the car does. Now I almost forgot to show you guys the most important thing. Lambo doors. So we're gonna go ahead inside, flip it open, and it opens up like a Lambo. Like, it's so cool. Look at that. Where is it? Forward. And we got Lambo doors. So cool. So really important, guys. This thing is awesome. It has a USB port, so you're able to plug in your USB port, plug in your phone, listen to music on here. He's gonna be able to press next on the radio, because it literally has a radio. I'll show you guys right now. And you press next, listen to whatever you want to listen to. It has LED lights in the front headlights. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the one that comes, no it's not. That was another car that I was looking at that had like LEDs in the wheels as well. What I do gotta check now is to see Lambo doors. I want to see if it's gonna have LED lights in the bottom, but I don't think so. We looked at so many cars, I even forgot exactly a little detail that this one came with. So I'm gonna show you guys the interior real quick. This button right here, the on and off, is for the lights. That turns the lights on, the LED lights in the front of the car, which is pretty awesome. Right here next to it, this lever is to go forward, to stop, or to reverse. Obviously right here we got our on and off button. Down here we have our pedal. And right here we have the USB port where you're able to plug in USB, and that's awesome. So this button right here on the steering wheel, that's to skip the song to go next. This is the horn, and yeah, pretty amazing details, man. For like a little car like this to bring all this is pretty awesome. It does come with a seatbelt, guys. That was his little car before that, the Paw Patrol fire truck. As you can see, a major huge difference between size. He definitely outgrew that. If you want to know the power of this car, it is a V12. By V12, I don't mean a V12 engine, but it's a V12 battery, which is one of the most, you know, powerful batteries for cars like this. So it does have some speed to it, man. Does, you know, the car does pretty well. You're watching this video now, but we're gonna fast forward to tomorrow, because the battery does need to charge for 18 hours before use. After that, on an average, you're gonna have to just charge the car for 8 to 12 hours, and you got a full charge. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it. We're gonna fast forward to tomorrow. We're gonna let this puppy charge for 18 hours, and then we're gonna have Bryce on his birthday. We're gonna surprise him. We're gonna open the garage up, and he's gonna get in it. And then once we do that, well, you're gonna be watching it now. You're gonna be seeing the car in action outside as it does. Highly recommend this car as of now by the looks and everything of it. After he gets in the car and rides it around, I'll let you guys know a full little review if it's really worth it or not, if, what I don't like about it or what I do like about it. I mean, at the end of the day, it's an Aventador, right? What's not to like about an Aventador? Look at that. The details on this thing are pretty sick, man. Pretty sick. Alright, that's gonna be it, guys. If you're new to my channel, like I said, this is a motorcycle content channel. I usually do content on my 2020 Harley Davidson Low Rider S right there. We are in the office. This is the garage.
You took a picture of the cake?
I mean, he picked it up for literally wondering what the hell happened in there. Did you grow a beard or is that tattoo?
Is it your birthday?
Yes.
Wait, whose birthday is it today?
Bryce.
Bryce?
Yes.
How many years old? How old are you? 3, yeah! You're so smart. Yay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Take
Yeah?
this chain off.
Yeah.
You want to do presents next?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you want for your presents?
Gun.
Gun? The play guns, right? What is that?
Big gun.
That's a big gun?
Yeah.
Is it bigger than the other one you had?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Wow.
Bullet.
Bullets. That's so cool.
I'll open it.
Okay, we got more presents though. We got a big present for you afterwards, okay?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bryce. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Oh, keep going. Oh, spit all over the cake. Yep. Nice spit. Okay. One more time.
Sneeze? If you were to sneeze, it would.
You need help?
Is it trick handles?
You want Daddy to help you? All right, ready? We do it together on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yay!
You want a picture together?
Yeah. All right. Want to take a picture with Daddy? Well, come in the picture.
Well, let me take your face first.
Can you do it on my phone or your phone, Strive?
Wow, she has a better phone than you.
No,
They got the same phone.
exactly.
Her camera. Turn the light on.
So it
They look
literally
like that, babe.
there's no difference.
No, the only the big one.
I want that gun.
Look at you. She's having a fun time. Look at that.
Stop, Kevin.
Listen, you better edit this crap out. I don't want to be in this video. This is not even gonna be a YouTube video.
Yeah, it is.
Here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Stop getting so close to
Look
my
over
mom.
here. Look over here, Bryce. 1, 2, 3. I'm a professional recorder. That's what they
So
do.
if
you want to sign me up, bro. That's what the YouTubers do. Yeah.
Because mommy's gonna eat cake.
Go see another birthday present.
I'm gonna
We
put on
got
my
a big,
shoes.
big surprise for you, okay? Huge surprise. Huge. He's gonna be so excited when he sees this. It just sucks that it's raining like a lot out. I wanted it to be nice and sunny for him to ride his car, but yeah, I don't think it was gonna happen today. Wow, I like your shoes.
Come.
Not yet. Hold on, we're waiting. You gotta wait for mommy.
Wait.
You gotta close your eyes. You ready? Oh wait. Well, why don't you look this way first, and then when I tell you to turn around, you turn around. All right? Close your eyes. Wait, let me get the camera. I'm gonna get his reaction. Ready, Bryce? Close your eyes. I'll tell you when. All right?
He's not even closing his eyes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Bacon!
Wow! That's your car? Oh my god! What a nice car! Do you like it? Huh? That's so nice!
Yeah!
They got a Lamborghini.
I never hear everything.
Do you like it?
Yeah!
You ready? You know how to close the doors? Alright, wait, hold on. First we gotta close the door. Close the door.
Close the door.
Close it down. And then that one down. Good job. Now we're gonna turn it on, okay? That's cool. Well, let's just go this way because I don't want to run into mommy. And we're just gonna run in the rain, okay? Hold on.
Is that a Tesla? No,
Unbutton.
no, I just wanted to get mom's reaction.
Wow. Slow down, stop. Stop. You need a license. You're gonna have to get your license first. Stop. Yo, stop, bro. like your car?
Yeah.
Is it awesome?
Yeah.
Oh, he's ready to go.
It's a Lamborghini.
He doesn't have a seatbelt on the whole time.
Why?
Wow. A roof, you mean?
You know what I mean?
Bro.
Wait, no, is there a reverse one? Which one? Is there a...
Yeah, this way. Push
Are you
down.
ever gonna ride this thing, Mom? After quarantine?
Keep going, keep going. Good job. Keep going, buddy.
Can you park it? Look at this. You get girls? He's like,
Wow.
You could probably fit a girl in
What a nice car.
Bryce, you gonna go to your girlfriend's house?
Huh?
Are you gonna go to your girlfriend's house?
Stop. Right there.
Bryce, say cheese.
He's gonna drive out of here.
Bryce, say cheese.
He's like, bye-bye.
Bryce.
Did you see that?
Okay.
Let's do that. Not free. Ow.
All right, so the car was a big hit, big sensation.
Yeah.
He loved the car, right? It was awesome. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna get some okay weather. Sunday's supposed to be really nice, so we're gonna be all day Sunday riding the car. If you guys wanna order this car, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box. It's $250, $275. I know before I said 300 something, but it's actually $275. So really good price. Sounds amazing. There's also a sound system in it. I still gotta test it out. When I plugged my USB cord in it, it wasn't working properly, but I want to keep playing around with it, see what it does exactly. And then I want to go pop some batteries in this controller, because obviously on high mode, this kid is not going to drive this car. It's like, this car is fast, really fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday, Bryce.
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.